Right, obviously we're not really gonna cover the whole place, but I'm just gonna show, I just saw this here, you gotta see this. This is pretty much the building. I'm somewhere inside there, and all this at the bottom here is pretty much the shopping mall. And there are probably offices and apartments there. Very nice. I'm gonna take a walk around. It's a shopping mall at the end of the day, so we're not gonna really go on a tour. It's not like something special about it, like like a bazaar, for example, or something. So we're not exploring it to that level on this video. Obviously, there are places like this in Pakistan, which is amazing. You know, I will go upstairs at some point, but I just want to walk here a little bit and have a look. There's nothing special really. It's just shops. So I'm taking the elevator here, and I've never seen this before. There's a guy standing, pushing the bottom for you to go up and down. Incredible. We're going to the top. Food court and cinema and all that. All the good stuff, right?
Yeah, of course.
And we're here. Thank you, brother.
Okay.
This is probably like some of my favorite places in any shopping mall. It's pretty much like the food court. I don't really care about the rest. Look at the view from the bottom though. Very nice, you know. Fun city, family entertainment center. So this is like for kids, you know. We're not gonna go in. I'm from Ireland. Yeah. So like I'm walking, I'm just like wandering around. But there is, what's the name of the place? La Terraza. Ah. La Terraza. It's actually lush. Very nice. View of the city, man. Absolutely gorgeous. Pakistan flag. Look at this sign, like, look at Pepsi, like, not sponsored by the way. This is the place. What a legend. Nice gentleman. All the way here. That's the view. Oh my god. And I just noticed it's different restaurants that they have like terraces outside. It's the only restaurants here that have terraces, right? Yeah. And this is not on the top floor. The top floor was the food court, but here I went third floor. This? Yeah, third floor, and they have like terraces and all that good stuff. Nice.